Hello friends, welcome to my channel Samruddhi Sutra. We are here to make understanding personal finance super easy. Whether you are new to this or want to level up your money game, we are here for you. From clever budgeting to simple investing, we are breaking it down step by step. Let's make a finance simple and fun because we believe everyone should know how to handle money smartly. Ever wonder what is personal finance? Well, it is basically how we handle our money. From spending to saving and everything in between. Now, why is it necessary? Simple. Personal finance is like a superhero for our wallets. It helps us make a smart choices about our money so we can achieve our dreams. Whether it's buying a new phone, going on a trip, or even planning for a future. It's all about having a game plan for our hard-earned cash. So, we will explore the world of personal finance together and learn how it can make our money work for us. Let's dive into the world of income, the money that keeps our financial engine running. There are two main types, active and passive. Active income is what we earn by putting in our time and efforts, like a salaries from jobs or the income from business. On flip side, passive income is the money that comes in without us actively working, such as rental income or earning from investment. Both play a key role in our financial journey. Active income fulfills our immediate needs, while passive income works quietly in background, helping us building a wealth over a time. So, understanding how to balance and grow both type of income is like unlocking the secret of financial success. We will explore the dynamic duo of active and passive income. Let's talk about expenses, the money we spend on our day-to-day needs and wants. Expenses cover everything from essentials like groceries, rent, and bills to those little extra that bring joy, like a weekend treat or a new gadget. Managing expenses is like crafting a budgetary roadmap for our money, ensuring we have a balance between fulfilling our needs and treating ourselves to some wants. Focusing on essential needs lay the foundation, while allocating a portion for wants introduce a touch of enjoyment. It's all about making conscious choices, tracking our spending, and finding the sweet spot where our financial well-being meets our lifestyle. Stick around as we explore the art of smart expense management, making our money work for us and enhancing overall financial health. Let's chat about the superhero of our financial journey, saving money. Saving is like building a safety net for our dreams and unexpected moments. It's the art of putting aside a little from what we earn, whether it's a piggy bank at home or saving account at bank. Saving helps us handle the surprises, reach our goals, enjoy a sense of security. Whether it's for a rainy days, a dream vacation, or a big purchase. The habit of saving is like planting seeds for a brighter financial future. We will explore the world of saving, making it simple, practical, and the key part of our journey towards a financial well-being. Let's put some light on the financial superhero called budgeting, your personal money compass. Imagine it as a guiding tool that directs your hard-earned rupee toward the specific destination. It's about giving each rupee a purpose. Whether it's paying the bills, saving up for your dreams, or adding a bit of joy to your life. Crafting a budget is a breeze. Just note down your income, list your needs and wants, and ensuring it all adds up. The magical financial compass helps to prevent overspending, keep our goals on track, and even create a safety cushions for surprises. We will explore the secret of budgeting, making it trusted companion on the road to financial success. Let's talk about three money superheroes: life insurance, health insurance, and the emergency fund. Life insurance is like a shield for your loved ones, making sure they are okay financially if something happens to you. Health insurance is like a buddy when you need a medical help, covering those surprise bills and making sure you get the care you need. And then there is an emergency fund, your money safety net for unexpected situations like losing job or sudden expenses. Together, these money tools are like a powerful team, giving you and your family peace of mind and protection when life gets a bit tricky. We will explore why these money superheroes are trustworthy friends on the journey to secure financial life. Let's chat about the loans, the double-edged sword in the world of finance. On the positive side, loans can be like a supportive companion, offering helping hand to achieve the important goals. Whether it's a home loan making the home ownership possible, an education loan making the way for knowledge, or a personal loan covering the unexpected expenses. Loans can open the doors to possibilities. However, it is crucial to handle them with care. On the flip side, if not managed wisely, loan can become a financial burden, leading to debt and stress. Understanding the terms, interest rate, and choosing the right loans for your need is a key. Keep an eye on how much money goes out as an EMI from your income to ensure a balanced financial journey. So, we will navigate the positive and the negative aspect of loans, making them a tool for a progress rather than source of worry on your financial journey. Let's dive into the dynamic duo of asset classes and the portfolio diversification, the superheroes of our investment journey. Imagine equity, debt, gold, and the real estate as a financial avengers, each with its unique powers. Equity, similar to owning a share in the company, can bring exciting returns. Debt, on other hand, offer the stability like lending money to governments or the companies for the regular interest. Gold, the timeless hero, hold its value and act as a hedge against the uncertainties. Lastly, real estate is like owning a piece of the world, often appreciating over a time. Portfolio diversification is like assembling a powerful team with these superheroes. Instead of putting all your money into one investment, you spread it wisely across these different asset classes. It's a balance square where if one hero faces the challenges, others step in to save the day. This smart strategy helps the manage risk and boost the potential for your money to grow over a time. We will explore the magic behind asset classes and the portfolio diversification, making your investment journey a thrilling adventure towards a financial success. Let's dive into the world of goal planning, the secret sauce to turn your dream into reality. Goal planning is like creating a treasure map for your money, helping you navigate towards your aspiration. First, identify your goals, whether buying a home, securing your child education, or crafting a plan for a blissful retirement. Next, break them into the smaller achievable steps, like a milestone on your journey. These steps make reaching your goals more manageable. Along the way, consider how much money you will need and the time it might take. Goal planning ensures you stay focused, motivated, and in control of your financial adventure. So, we will explore goal planning in simple terms, making it map that guides you towards a brighter financial future. Let's conduct a quick financial health check. Answering yes or no to the following questions will help us understand our financial well-being. Do you currently have an emergency fund? Have you purchased term insurance to protect against unforeseen circumstances? Do you possess health insurance coverage? Are you actively creating and adhering to budget for your finances? Have you established plan for achieving your various financial goals? Are you familiar with the concept of the magic of compounding in investing? Are you working toward reducing any outstanding loans? Do you understand how inflation can damage the value of your saving over a time? Are you knowledgeable about the different asset classes and their associated risk and returns? Does your spouse actively contribute to financial decision in your household? Simply respond with yes or no to each question. Your answer will guide us in the offering personalized insights for your financial journey. Thank you for participating. After answering the financial health check questions, feel free to comment or your overall score in comment sections below. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up, share it with others and subscribe for more valuable insights. In our next video, we will deep dive into essential topic of budgeting. So stay tuned for practical tips to boost your financial well-being. See you there.